How do you know if your advertising is successful? In this example, we'll take you through how to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns so you know what's working and what isn't. Meet Andy. He owns Andy's Pizzeria. Andy wants to offer his customers a free dessert with the order of any gourmet pizza, which has an average sale value of $30. He decides to spend $1,500 to run ads on Facebook and Google Ads. To understand if his campaign is successful, Andy must know about his advertising funnel. At the top of the advertising funnel is impressions. Impressions are the number of times people saw your ads. For Andy, he has been running his ads for 1 week. So far, 6,989 people have seen his ads. That means he has 6,989 impressions. After people see your ads, the next step is to measure clicks. Clicks are the number of times people clicked on your ad. Andy has been running his ad for 1 week. So far, 1,930 people have clicked on his ad. He has 1,930 clicks. After clicks, we measure conversions. Conversions are the number of actions people took on your ads, such as product purchases, newsletter signups, calls to your business, or app downloads. Andy has set up his conversion to measure how many people sign up for his free dessert coupon on his website. So far, 500 people have provided their emails to receive a free dessert coupon. He has 500 conversions. Now we can use the number of conversions to calculate the close rate. The close rate is the percentage of customers who saw your ad, then actually made a purchase. Andy had 500 people sign up for his coupon. From those 500, 100 people used it when they purchased a gourmet pizza. Andy's close rate is 20%. Now that we have the close rate, it is easy to find the return on investment for those advertising dollars. ROI is calculated using this formula: campaign revenue minus spend divided by spend. And campaign revenue is defined as conversions times average sale times close rate. So using this formula, Andy multiplies his 500 conversions by his average gourmet pizza amount of $30, then by his close rate of 20%. This gives Andy a campaign revenue of $3,000. Using the campaign revenue of $3,000 and his campaign spend of $1,500, we can now calculate Andy's advertising ROI. Hooray! Andy's advertising efforts have paid off and have given him a 100% return on investment. With this knowledge, Andy can confidently run more campaigns, knowing he will always be able to calculate exactly how effective they are.